Come west, I mean we did a lot check with...
We
There,
stood up.
southeast mode.
Hold here boys.
We're wasting your shit, guys.
Yo, pop food? Only food, only food, only food. Come west.
Yes.
Hold here, yo, I'm not in front lane by the way. Huh? You guys are in front lane my DPS, you guys are in front lane my DPS, you guys are front... Thank you! Eh? Hold here, come west. You're always gonna hold towards... you come more south, come south, come south, come south, come south, all towards south. Hold here, keeper, you can...
Level 8.
You come north, be ready to peel for bomb squad. You come south, please come south, come south, come south, come south. We're gonna counter same time they engage, okay? Be ready with defensive and offensive. Hold here. Yo, come south,
They engaging
come
west?
south,
Kidnap
come
on the
south,
west.
come south, come south. And look at west, come west. Look at west, west in 3, 2, 1. West under tank, on this tank, on this tank, on this tank. And come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast. Yo, my tanks west, don't be that deep, please. Come east.
I hit the
All towards southeast.
I'm more scouting.
You be ready to peel for bomb squad. Come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast. You need Q of Macy's everywhere, boys. Q of Macy's everywhere on the ground. House keeper, even if it's not in front, you be careful in front, nice dodge. You can hammer, they used a lot. Be careful about the potential bomb squad or whatever, but be careful, boys. My DPS, hold it. Be careful, they might engage from north. Okay, they're gonna hold the second floor, hold here. Keep hammering, keep hammering. Yo, keep hammering and look at north, northwest on this guy, northwest in 3, 2, 1. Northwest, can we catch this guy after? Northeast in 3, no. Come northeast, try to catch him. Okay, come east on the wall, east on the wall, kill the guard. Come east on the wall. One death tank west behind, please.
What you do? We need 100 I can to block a bomb squad if they come from
hold
the...
Hold here, boys. Be careful, they're gonna push. Be careful. My tank stop them before they go in. Hold here.
He's on double on the guard.
On the jug and on the guard.
It's a jug, huh?
Hold more south, guys. Hold more south. Yo, we need Q of bed, house, everything. Yo, Q of Macy's everywhere, even in the back. Hold here. Yo, Behemoth, kill this fucker here. Yo, Q double on the jug. Be ready with cleans on it. Hold here.
Can kill the tank.
Hold here. Be ready to
One tank west.
Hold here. We're good. Yo, all more south, boys. Hold here. Yo, look at northwest in 3, 2, 1. Northwest under tanks, and come southeast. Come southeast, defensive, come southeast. Nice engage. Come southeast.
Keep the tank on the north,
Yo, kill the tank inside of us. Inside of us. Cannibals. Okay, come southeast. Yo, you can start hammering. Be ready with defense on the front. It's gonna be fast again. Yo, hammer the gate. They're not coming yet. Hammer, they lost a lot of tanks. Keep hammering. Don't be scared. Hammer.
Are they coming?
Yo, defensive. Okay, hammer. Keep hammering. And look at northwest in 3, 2, 1. Northwest on the lane. And come southeast. My DPS, you're not coming with me. Come southeast.
Keep the tank on the back.
Come southeast, be ready with defensive. Come southeast. Hold here. Come southeast, boys. Come southeast. Your defense in the front. Come southeast. Defense on the front, and push west. Push southwest. And look at north in 3, 2, 1. Deep north. And come southeast.
Ça bon, on squad north.
Come southeast, boys. Come southeast. Don't stack here. Come southeast. We might need a locus soon. Come southeast. Be careful about the jug. Get the jug low first. Hold here. Be ready with full def. Q of Macy's everywhere, please. Hold here.
They have 3 DPS on the north, Che.
I will need a locus at the same time. Hold here. We're gonna counter at the same time they engage. Hold here. You kill the guard. Kill the guard. Kill the guards, kill the guards, kill the guard. Kill the guards.
Bomb cut engaging.
Hold here, 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 be ready with defensive, hold here, hold here, hold here, you're defensive on the front, and look at west, southwest in 3, 2, 1, southwest after the choke, and come east, I'm missing life curse on that, come east with the life curse, we full wipe them, come east, hold here, Cannibal is inside of us, keepers they might full push you if you're north, hold here, be ready with defensive, hold towards southeast. Hold here.
Ochi, you might want to look into
Yo,
their tanks.
full death now. Come east, they didn't. Come east, my bad. Come southeast, defensive on the arms. And look at southwest, come southwest. Look at southwest on the choke in 3, 2, 1. Southwest on the choke, in the choke. Come southeast, my DPS, your trash. Come southeast. Come southeast, get the fuck out of the choke, Cannibal is inside of us. Come southeast. Hold here. 8 seconds. Hold here, boys. Hold here. Yo, Q of mace everywhere. Hold here. And look at west. West in the stairs. In 3, 2, 1. West in the stairs. And come east. My life curse, your trash. Come east. You're defensive on the front. Heal on the front. Unsiki. We're good. Hold here and come southwest. Keep healing. Come southwest.
Heal on Archie, guys.
Southwest. West.
Heal on Archie, guys. On the front.
Push west. Okay, hold here. And look at south. Straight south after the choke. In 3,
Jog is
2,
dismounted.
1. South after the choke. On their middies. And come northeast. Come east. I have no life curse. My life curse is horrible. Come east. Defensive. Yo, my life curse. Why are you so bad? Come east. And southeast. Keep healing. Southeast. Keep healing. Come southeast. Hold here. Cannibals. And
Can we engage inside?
Come south. And look at inside of us in 3, 2, 1. Under tanks inside of us. And come south. Hold here. Yo, come northwest. Hold here. Be ready with defensive. They're gonna push. Yo, defensive on the front. Stop them. Come southeast. Full def. It's my demon. Come south. Keep going south. 9 seconds. Come southwest. Hold here. And look at on the lane. Northeast. Come northeast. Look at northeast in 3, 2, 1. Northeast on the lane, under tanks, and come southwest. Keep healing. Come southwest. Hold here. Yo, come southwest. Locus in the choke. Come southwest. Yo, full def now. Heal. Come southwest. Okay. We're gonna be doing hard front to back. I want to delete those tanks this one. So everyone follow me, and we kill them. Okay?
Well, let's go out you on the front.
Come southwest. Are they? Okay, come west. Okay, hold here. Come northwest, come north. Hold here. And look at west in 3, 2, 1. Southwest on this guy. Catch him. Look at him in 3, 2, 1. You click southwest, kill this guy.
Except the squeeze.
Okay, come east. We'll go back east. Come east. We're gonna regroup. Come north. Come east on the wall if needed. My arcane, you cancel those beetles, those whatever. Hold here. Take space. Hold here. Okay, keeper engage first. Yo, come southeast. Hold here. Tell me when you have cooldown back, skipper. I want to wait a bit for you. Hold here. After behemoth. Hold here.
Our behemoth is already low.
Hold here. And look at north, come north, look at north, in 3, 2, 1, northwest on the clump, and come southeast, come southeast, cannibal is inside of us, come southeast, hold here, don't be scared my tanks, hold here,
She's the
be
Jug.
careful about Juggy, cannibal is on Juggy, yo queue of maces everywhere, hold here, kidnap those guys whenever you can. Hold here. Keeper, do you have engage or not?
He's engaging now.
Okay,
Yeah.
hold here. And look at southwest on the stairs in 3, 2, 1. Southwest on the stairs, and come east. Perfect, come east, that's nice. Come east, yo, full left. Keep going east, full left. Keep going east. Hold here. Keeper, we can.
Keeper is engaging.
Come west, boys. Come west.
Keeper kill a lot.
Come west, cannibal is on their tanks. Come west. Hold here. Cannibal is on their tanks. Hold here and look at northeast in 3, 2, 1. Northeast on the wall, northeast. Kill northeast on their middies. Northeast, kill them. Come southeast, be ready with defensive, come southeast. Yo, be ready with defensive, hold here. Yo, full def now. On the front, and push southwest. Full push, demon, push southwest, and look at deep southwest in 3, 2, 1, it's massive, it's all of them, kill those fuckers, southwest, and come east.
I kill a core.
Come east, be ready with respot, come east, hold here, yo, respot, full def, keep going east, southeast, we just have to survive, come southeast, defensive, come southwest, come west, and look at northwest on the chest in 3, 2, 1, northwest on the chest, and come east, cannibal, come east, cannibal is inside of us, hold here, yo, don't fear, hold here, boys, hold here, we full push next one, hold here, cannibals, don't be scared, hold here, be careful, hold here, come east, okay, hold here, yo, mana in the back on bomb squad, hold here, yo, defense on the front, and look at west, come west, and look at northwest in 3, 2, 1, northwest on the gate, and come southeast after, come southeast, hold here, come southeast, cannibals, don't be scared, my DPS, cannibals, hold here, come east, be careful, we're gonna counter sometimes engage, come west, hold here, yo, come east,
Look at this bedrock inside of us.
come east, come southeast, and look at the tanks north, deep north in 3, 2, 1, north on their tanks, and come southeast. I'm missing something, come southeast, yo, full left, come southeast, keep healing. Ah, my healers, what are you doing? Come southeast, I'm losing 3 healers in this shit, come southeast, hold here, keeper, do you have something? Hold here, keeper? Hold here.
I need mana.
Yo, look at northwest on their front in 3, 2, 1, northwest on their front, it's massive, and come southeast, nice, come southeast, hold here, let bomb squad engage, hold here, come southeast, be ready with defensive, hold here, boys, hold here, and look at north on the wall in 3, 2, 1, north on the wall, and come southeast, yo, full def, keep going southeast, full def, keep healing, ah, come southeast, my healers, Zilos, come southeast. Okay, come southwest, we have to, come southwest, we have to Kate, I guess. Come southwest. Come south, come south, come south, come south, come south, come south. And look at northeast on the lane, northeast in 3, 2, 1. Northeast on the lane, on the lane, on the lane, on the lane. And come southwest, come southwest, come south, come south, come south. Keeper, you can counter. Come south, come south, come south, come south, and southeast, southeast, defensive, defensive. Respot, respot. Come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast. You're good, you're good. Come southeast, 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 come southeast. Come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast. Keep surviving. Come southeast, come southeast, come southeast. Hold here, hold here, hold here, hold here, hold here, hold here. And look at northwest on the gate, northwest on the gate. In 3, 2, 1. Northwest on the gate. It's massive, it's massive, it's massive, it's massive, it's massive. And come northeast, come northeast, come northeast, come northeast, come northeast, come northeast. Okay, yo, full scatter, full scatter.
I
Yeah,
guess
group or no?
we're not coming back. I'm in altar still.
I never saw such bad DPS. My DPS party 1, just get the fuck out of this guild, you dumb fucks. Eh ben, my DPS, I know who to ban. Huh? DPS party 1, I don't want to see you again, the one I don't know. Grim Senpai, whatever. Who else do I have? Like, you guys are not dropping spells unless you show me a fucking VOD, but you're not dropping spells!